hard surface cleaner, and this is Karcher or Karcher. Get it on Amazon. It's about 60 bucks. World's #1 pressure washer brand, but this is a 15-inch cleaner, so it goes a lot faster if you're doing big sections like a driveway, or this guy's doing a deck right here. And then this is the unit itself. All you do is just take your pressure washer wand and connect it right there, and then it comes around and it spins. There's a nozzle right here and a nozzle on this side, and it just spins and makes a wide path. It's also got these bristles on the side, so it brushes the concrete, cement, or whatever at the same time. Max 3200 psi. I've got a 3100 psi pressure washer. Max temperature 140 degrees, so I guess you could use hot water. And max flow is 2.7 gallons per minute.
Well, you can either use a tip like this and connect it just like this. Is how easy it is.
So there you go. That's just how easy it is. Pretty nice piece of equipment to add to your pressure washer, and makes cleaning go a lot faster for sure. 15-inch surface cleaner, and that's how it works. Hope this video helps.